Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for December 3rd, 2020. If you look at the chart SBY, as you can see here, the market be able to break through the resistance line here. So right now, the last 3 days, they back and forward, try to hold up above the resistance line, now become a support. So as long as the price to stay above the yellow line here, the market still have a chance to put it back up. As you can see here, after we punch to that level, we come back, we couldn't put it down, and then they shoot it back up, and today, the last minute, they try to slam it down again. But the buyer step go in and put it back up. So if you look at the EBD SB 500, as you can see here, the market is after they slam down, and then they try to crawl back up again. So right now, they stuck into the rainbow here. Before market close today, they push it back up. They try to test the day before Thanksgiving, but they found a support there, and then they push right back up. So as long as they still hang above this one here, the price still stay above moving average, the market will still have a chance to put it back up in the upside. If you are in our live trading room, as you can see here, when the market open, we know that the market already found a support overnight. So when the market open, they slam down a little bit, and then they push it back up to the upside. So we take a first trade here, hit to the resistance, and we took the profit, and then they pull back and retest again, and then we take a next trade here to the upside. So total for the first hour at 15 points for the first hour, which is about $750 because one ES contract at $50. So if you take one slot, you make it $750 and done for the day. And after that, the market will pull back down. And then the last 1 hour before market close, market is very volatile. They start from the bottom, they push back up, and then they slam down very quickly to retest the buy zone, and then they push it back up again. It's a crazy move here in within 10-15 minutes there. And if you look at a lot of stock that we are talking about over the weekly market forecast, you see semiconductor very strong, they put it back up. However, we are very close to the resistance area. That's why you see a lot of stock like AMD, okay, they hit the resistance, they couldn't go higher, they pull back, so they need to put back a little bit to see what they be able to be more momentum to push it upside. And a couple of strong stock here, as you can see here, they're also losing the momentum when they hit to the upside there. And LAC, so those stocks are the strong stock in semiconductor, but they are too extended right now. And if you look at a lot of stock in the software business, it's still doing well. RNG is the competition with Zoom, while Zoom is in correction. This stock take up and run up to the upside for the last 5 days. As you can see here, they shoot it back up. And APPF, that's another one that he tried to build a base to break out this area here. And the stock on the bio sector is still doing strong here, even though they hit the resistance, they pull back, but the buyer step back in, they try to put it back up again. mRNA, that's another leading vaccine for coronavirus. They shoot it back up, hit to the sell zone, they pull back down, fill up the gap, and then people buy it back in again. Pfizer, TPFE, this one the last couple of days, they run up very fast after multiple approved from different countries. This stock shoot it up, but they also run out of gas, so they need to pull back a little bit also. And a couple of pot stocks are still doing well. You can see here, TLRY, that after the 5 support, they try to put it back up. And if you belong to the Wall Street watch list, you can see those stocks that's moving very fast. You know, like this one here we highlight for you. This one here, it continues to shoot it back up to the upside for the last 2 weeks. Here you can see it's very strong momentum. They go straight up after the breakout. And today I took some trade on the daily So after I get out for live trading room, they give me a bullet formation. I jump in, take a long trade, and then hit to the sell zone, take a short trade. So total net profit for the day trading today at $1,754. And then I turn around, I sell one of the swing trade, which is the slack, the WORK. I buy 1,000 share and close it for $9,812. So that's another method that we are teaching in Stock Navigator, so that you can stay in the trade and make good profit. Let me see here, WORK. So as you can see here, this stock here, after they build a big base here, and then they found the support at the buy zone, the people step back in, and then when the rumor coming out that Salesforce they're going to buy Slack, so you see that the big volume coming in, and then we take a trade here, and then push it back up, and then when the Salesforce they confirm they're going to buy Slack, then we buy the rumor and we sell the new. So I buy 1,000 share with a $9,812 profit. This is the second method that we are teaching in Stock Navigator, so that you can look for those stocks, and then they break out, and you take a trade, and then you make a good profit there. So total net profit for today is $11,566. Okay, so if you would like to learn how to understand the financial market, how to read the chart by using a modern technical analysis combined with the crowd psychology plus the price action, you can check out our website at stocknavigators.com, and we have a video there for you to show you how we are trading, so that you can learn something. And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube if you are not our members. Every time we have a new video, we will alert you so that you know where the market is heading to for the next day. And a lot of stuff that we analyze on the weekend, hopefully they can help you out also. But in our live trading room, we do live trade every day with our members, so that we can share the profit, we can share the tip together, so we all making money together. Okay, so that's all I have for you this week. So make sure you stay safe and stay healthy. We will see you on the weekly market forecast. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll talk to you later.